In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Chipotle promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser. It can be Safari or Google Chrome. Then go to google.com and in the search bar enter Chipotle promo code. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that contains promo codes. You can go to any of them, and there, as you can see, you can find a bunch of different promo codes. You can use, for example, that one that gives you 10% off. You can hit on that promo code to see it, then you can select it, copy it, and then move to Chipotle website and here make some purchases. After you have finished and you are ready to pay the money, just don't forget to enter the promo code and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can go back on that or any of other websites and here try to use another promo code from that list. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.